Easy Touch Startup Video. Section 1. Preparing the lane machine. Install proper receptacle by a qualified electrician. Prepare the machine on the lane. Pull down the lid latches and open the lid. Cut the wire ties on both sides of the transfer roller and remove. Push the transfer roller down to its operating position against the buffer brush. Fill oil bottle up to oil fill line. To fill the oil tank, remove the plug. Insert the oil fill bottle and press down only on the top of the bottle to dispense oil. Press down until oil flow stops. Oil will fill to just below oil fill line. Wait for wicks to absorb oil. Dry wicks may require a refill. Replace the plug. Mix cleaner and water according to lane cleaner label. Remove cleaner tank cap and insert large red funnel. Fill cleaner tank with cleaner mixture. Ensure pins are off the pin deck and pin spotters are turned off. Plug electrical cord into receptacle and Easy Touch. Clip power cord strain relief to machine. Secure cord to handle. Section 2. Step-by-step operation. Align the machine to the lane. Before running the machine for the first time, it's a good idea to check the oil tank pressures. Locate the yellow oil tank shim, part number 04051. Open the top cover and insert the feeler gauge between the wicking foams and the transfer roller. Take note of the force required. The pressure between the wicks and the transfer roller should be relatively equal. Changes in oil output are generally made through different wick densities. We will now do a test run of the machine to check the buffer pressure. Buffer pressure is tested using the RP43 tool. Tests must be made on a lane with oil on it. Turn on the lane machine. Note that the key in the e-stop switch does not need to be in the switch to run the machine. However, it is required to reset the e-stop circuit if the button is activated. Select Program A on the touchscreen. Position the machine so that the front casters touch gutter ramps. You must press the Start button twice to run any of the 4 programs. Machine allows 5 seconds between button press 1 and button press 2 before resetting. Press the Start button once to start cleaning. While pushing the machine fully onto the lane, press the Start button a second time to run the machine. Confirm the machine applied oil to the lane by smearing with your finger. Position the machine out past the foul line so the buffer is above some applied lane oil. Select the buffer pressure test by selecting the test screen icon and enter the test area by selecting that icon. Select the access button, then go to the buffer pressure screen. Confirm the buffer pressure is between C and D on both sides. Press the back button as many times as required to return to the main screen. Section 3. Daily Lane Maintenance Routine. Check oil. Check cleaner. Ensure waste tank is empty. First lane. Clean only and check. Select Program D and run machine. Confirm machine is cleaning lane properly with a clean white cloth. Select desired oiling program. Move machine to second lane. Second lane. Clean, oil, and check. Confirm machine is oiling properly. Return machine to lane 1. Clean and oil center from lane 1. Section 4. Maintenance and storage. Remove waste tank. Empty contents. Reinstall waste tank. Unplug machine and lift top. Unclip oil tank spring. Wipe down foam wicks and transfer roller with a clean cloth. Replace spring and ensure it is secure. Upright machine. Clean brush, wheels, and any part of machine that touches lane. Clean squeegee and agitator foam. Wipe down buffer brush, turning to get entire brush. Wrap cord around machine. Make loops as large as possible. Store in proper location according to manual. For more information, see the QR code links to helpful videos on the machine hood and in the manual.